Your Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his little elf crew. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his reindeer too. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. You know what to do. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. Just twerk it the Santa.
Twerking is the Santa, gotta twerk it like this.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Hey, Vlogmas. Hey, no music. I'm here alone in my kitchen by myself with no man.
Loser.
It's just me. Like if I were to go hello, crickets. Anyway, today we're making Christmas crack.
Oh my God!
Why I get so upset at myself just now? Like that's why I be feeling like this is a simulation. Cause like what? Who came up with that? And why y'all coming up with just anything? I'm in my jammies because it's Christmas time. Hey, don't break something now. Don't break nothing. Christmas crack is this viral situation that's been going around. That's disgusting. When we call stuff viral, it's always disgusting to me. But you know, the thing is popular. It's a trend on TikTok where people are making this stuff called Christmas crack. And it's supposed to be so good and the girls love it. So we're going to try it out today. Let me get my pan and stuff out. Hold on.
My leg!
Ouch.
Okay, I got a pan. Now, does anybody have an extra kitchen I could use?
What?
Because I'm running out of space. Oh my God, I don't even know the recipe for this, ho. Let me find the recipe. TikTok has been really great so far. Like, I used to go to YouTube a lot to look up stuff, you know what I mean? Like, if I'm like, how do I, like, with things to do in Mexico, I would, like, go to YouTube and type that in. Now I go to TikTok. Because it's just faster. Like, give me the information. Give it to me.
Just give it to me!
Christmas crack.
Excuse me? What did you say?
Why they making Christmas crack over a drill beat? Okay, first I need to put them saltine crackers that's right over there. There we go. On top of the thing. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't have aluminum foil. Do I have aluminum? I don't got aluminum foil. This is all I got. This is all I got.
I'll do the best I can with what I got.
I'm gonna do the best with what I got. What I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to use parchment paper? I'm scared. Girl, we just gonna try with parchment paper. Okay, now we just put the crackers on top.
What is this, honey?
I ate the rest. What, sis? I was hungry. I needed a little snack. But we just gotta line these up like all straight in a line, in a row. If you can't do this part, girl, you shouldn't be making Christmas crack. Cause this ain't what you cracked up to be. You need to go on and go make cereal or something. Christmas cereal, cause you can't make Christmas crack. You can't get the crackers in a row. Get them all in a row, nice and straight. Let's see how much we need. I do have a whole extra box you can see back there of saltines just in case. This is the part that you get your kids to do. Cause after like the 15th cracker, it's a little boring. But you know, kids love doing stuff like this. Oh my God, so much fun. We're helping out. Yeah, girl, you're doing the dirty work. I think we're gonna need another pack. Might as well.
Boardy sheet.
That's right. If you would have told me, like, when I was younger that I would grow up to like saltine crackers, I would have punched you in your face with my little tiny underdeveloped knuckles.
Cause my head will start spinning, I chop on your trachea. Try it.
And I would have said, who sent you? But I do. I love saltine crackers, especially with a little bit of soup. Ooh, don't let them get a little bit of soggy. I'll be tearing them things up. This is kind of satisfying, the way that they all kind of lock in place. And there's like just enough space for them on this tray. I was like, hey, yo, tray. Wow, look at that. Okay, so now that we have that together, now we're gonna move on to making a caramel sauce.
Yes, mama.
We're gonna place brown sugar, butter, and salt in a medium-sized saucepan. Cook on medium heat, stirring frequently until the butter melts. We're gonna continue to cook it, stirring often for another 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture becomes a boil and it's gonna turn to color a little bit. It's gonna color a little bit brown. Don't allow the mixture to boil for more than 30 seconds. Okay, great. I love a quick process. And remove from heat and stir in some vanilla extract. 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter. I got that. No biggie. Okay, we have 1/2 cup of butter. And I hate this. I hate getting butter out these little things. 2. Okay, so that's 1 cup of butter. 1 cup of brown sugar. down the hatch. How much salt we need? How much salt? A 4 teaspoon of kosher salt. That's just a sprinkle. Girl, that ain't nothing but a little bit of sprinkle. Just about that much. We want to do medium heat. It always surprises me how like sugar is a wet ingredient. You can literally just melt it. You know what I mean? It's not a powder. It's not flour. Flour will burn. Right? So now we just sit and wait for that to melt, and then I'm gonna stir it a little bit, let it boil for about 30 seconds, take it off the heat, let it, well, we ain't gonna need to let it cool. We're just gonna pour it over the saltine. But I'll holler at you later. Holler at you later. I'll holler at you later. Hey. Yo, I need to stop. Oh my God, it's happening. It's boiling. So I'm gonna just stir it for like 30 seconds, child. 30 seconds on the clock. I've made caramel like quite a few times before, and it's really easy to kind of let it burn. So I'm gonna just, take it off the stove right now. So just take it off. Caramel is also really dangerous, y'all, because it's so hot. Water has a high heat capacity, but sugar, girl, she'll burn you right through to the bone.
With Tiger from China, boom boom.
Okie dokie, so I'm just gonna take this sauce, which ain't even really like real caramel. It's just like right before it would get to a caramel, and just pour it over the crackers. Ooh.
Hot.
That's just butter and brown sugar, sis. Pour it all on over. And it, like, people were saying that you don't need to like really spread this out or anything. It kind of like spreads out because we're gonna put it in the oven. You can kind of just let it pour in there. I'm like, what kind of cooking show is this? Talking about just let it pour in there. Where's the precision? Okay, it's like dripping. It's dripping, ho! Oh snap, it's dripping. What am I supposed to do? Help! Somebody help! Oh snap, she tried to drip on me. It says spread to evenly coat the crackers, but with the TikTok that I said didn't say all that. Or the TikTok that I watched didn't say all that. So I'm gonna spread it a little bit out to the edges. This is real goopy if you ask me, but it smells delicious. Oh my God, does it smell delicious? You know what? I didn't even preheat the oven. That's baker rule number 1. Always preheat the oven. I wish my oven was like voice activated. I could just be like, preheat, ho. Start now. Listen, this is about as good as I could do with this Christmas crack. Cause spreading this ain't easy. The foundation ain't right. It's moving like the tectonic plates. Isn't that kind of wild? Like we really learned in school that there's this, we all sit on these things called tectonic plates, and they just be moving back and forth and causing earthquakes. Hello, is nobody scared out of their mind? Okay, that's it. I'm not doing no more. I quit. It says bake for about 5 minutes. Wow, I gotta wait like 20 minutes for it to preheat. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right, I'll be back. And the oven is preheated.
Girl, get up.
I don't know. I just thought it'd be interesting to kind of come back, but like over there. So I'm going to put this in the oven. We're going to bake it for 5 minutes. In you go. Have fun, little baby.
Oh my God.
I like to pretend, I was going to say I like to pretend that my things that I bake are little babies, but putting a baby in an oven is not fun or legal. So don't do that, kids. Instead, have a saltine.
Another one.
Oh my God. That is so dry. Let's put 5 minutes on the clock. Next, I'm gonna need some chocolate. I forget why I even opened this. Why did I open it already? I used the chocolate for some. Oh, it's for a live stream. Yeah, I did do that. Some of the girls on TikTok though say to pour this directly over the saltine crackers when it comes out the oven, and then that will melt it, and then you'll be able to like spread it. But this recipe I'm looking at here on simplyrecipes.com, who actually calls this recipe Christmas crackers.
What?
Yeah, sound like gentrification or either store brand culture. They say to melt the chocolate first and then spread it across like it's Nutella. I trust TikTok more. Excuse me if I'm wrong. I do have this white chocolate though that I think I'm gonna melt and then kind of like squirt over. Squirt? Did I really have to use that word? But I think I'm gonna like put a little design on the chocolate, And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. Hey, for me, yeah. But shake a hand, yeah. I never understood that part. Cause that's so random. Why all of a sudden we shaking hands? What does that got to do with anything? Like, I'd rather be like hug a man. Actually, no.
Why would you say that?
I take that back. Hug your grandma. That's too many syllables. Ooh, it's done. Oh my God, y'all, shit is bubbling.
Hot.
Bubbling and moving around. I'm scared. This is hot. Okay, now we can add the chocolate. Okay, so these kind of shifted around when I took them out because I was taking too long to put them down. So I'm just gonna like move them back into place. Cause what in the world is going on here? This is a Christmas disaster. Crackers all out of place. What am I supposed to do now? What the town's kids gonna do now? They was like, Will, bake this up. We want Christmas crack. I said, what? Christmas who? They said that famous recipe you make every year is so tasty. We want it. I said, calm down, children. I got you this year. And now I ruined Christmas because all the crackers is all messed up. What the kids gonna do? Christmas crack is canceled.
You just made that up. No.
Okay, everything looks to be back in place, back in shape, ho. And now we need to put on the chocolate like immediately. This stuff like cools off really quickly. Oh my God, it's working. It's melting. Oh my God, it's working, it's melting. We need to spread it all the way across. As I'm doing this, I'm like, this is pretty much like Snickers. All we need is some nougat. Huh? Some what? Yeah, nougat. I ain't gonna lie, this not looking too good. Like it looks stank. Like, don't it look stank? Like this like something that somebody would bring to the potluck and you would not eat it. Girl, I'm not touching that. I don't know what that is. Who brought that? Stacy brought that. Don't she got cats? Yeah, I don't know. I don't want that. That's how I would feel about this. But we just spreading this out, spreading the love. Nothing feels better than feeling the love. Everybody knows that when push comes to shove, nothing feels better than feeling the love.
It's something about that song that just make you want to get up and bust a motherfucking move.
Y'all remember that song from That's So Raven from Corey before he went into the house? That was so random. His like what? We wouldn't have guessed that in a million years that Corey in the house would have been a whole show. How Raven dad randomly get a job at the White House? That's crazy to me. But what was crazier was that Corey always had a little white friend named William. And I said, why y'all gotta name him me? Everybody's like, William. And I'm looking at the TV, wondering why they saying my name. Yes, this is he. I'm here.
Were you trying to address me?
This really don't look good. I mean, I'm just being honest and real. Y'all want me to be fake? Oh, this looks so good and tasty. Okay, I think she is ready. I'm going to take some of this like white chocolate, melt it, and then squirt it over this like in a cute little design pattern. And then we have to let this chill for 8 hours.
We have to sit out here
8 whole hours. But I guess I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. It's the next day and the Christmas crack.
Stop saying that out loud so people can hear.
It's in the refrigerator. I'm gonna get it right now. She looks beautiful. Hallelujah. Yeah, I put a little bit of sprinkle on her, a little bit of sprinkles. She does have a gingerbread, marshmallow, hot cocoa-esque situation going on. I found these cute little sprinkles. Where are they? Like, look at how cute these are. It's like a hot cocoa mix, and there's a little gingerbread in there, marshmallows, chocolate, sprinkles, and then like a confetti of colors. Girl, this is crazy, ho. Oh! I feel like I should use a spatula or something. But it's Christmas crack. Well, it ain't a delicacy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I literally have it right here in my hand, like the whole thing. This is ridiculous. This is a bunch of saltine crackers with chocolate and caramel. Okay, let's crack it then. Oh my God. I just took off a big old piece. Okay, there we go. Christmas crack. I mean, she's cute enough, right? Like, yeah. And on the back, you can kind of see a little bit of the caramel coming through.
Okay. Now I see what's going on here.
You know what this tastes like? This tastes like
Graham crackers?
No.
the saltine crackers do kind of come through a little bit, and not in the way of like, oh yes, come through, saltine crack. No, it's more like, girl, please tone it down. Because the saltine crackers are really drying to the mouth, and that quality is good in certain contexts, right? When you use it in a soup, it soaks up a lot of the soup, but in your mouth, it just soaks up all your saliva. I don't feel like the caramel mixture really penetrated the saltine cracker, but it does add flavor. Like the caramel is there and the chocolate is there. So it kind of reminds you of a little bit of like some kind of chocolate candy bar. It is really cute. Like it is a pretty bark. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Yeah, the caramel or the caramel, however you pronounce it, is really the star of the show. And it's more of a sauce. It's not like chewy like a caramel would be. The dark chocolate comes through to give it like a real kind of like fancy texture. I'm into it. This is something that I would do not because I'm like craving it, because I don't think I'll crave this again. But I would definitely do this with friends or with kids. Kids would love doing this. Well, the caramel sauce is like
really scary,
a big no-no. And yeah, let the adults handle that. But I would definitely throw on some kind of fun holiday movie, get my little jammies with my partner, and we'll just like make this for the night. But anyway, that brings us to the end of this episode of Vlogmas. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me everywhere online. Just don't follow me in real life. Because you talk about a Christmas crack, I'll crack you right in your face.
I'm on your trachea.
Christmas crack to the face. Hope to see you back here real soon for another episode of Vlogmas. But until then, bye.